Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with an unboxing of the Captain Marvel Vans collab from back in June. Let's get to it. Hey YouTube, SJ and I'm back, and today I've got an unboxing of the Vans collab with Marvel that dropped earlier in this year. I think it was June time. I actually picked these up when I was over in Santa Monica. So there's not a box for me to, it is just all ready to look at. Oh, sounds like there's something in there. So Mr. B on Sneaker Cam, get a look at that box. Super nice, loads and loads and loads of detail on there. So this, as I said, this collab dropped back in, there we go, camera 2, look at that. This collab dropped back in June. There were several in the pack and I went for, let's open it up because I haven't really looked at these since I bought them and came back to the UK. They're nicer than I remembered. So I got the Captain Marvel because if you haven't seen the trailer, oh, there's some stickers in here. Lance Mountain sticker. These are from Rip City, aren't they? I think. Yes. We visited a skate shop called Rip City on the same day that I bought these from the Vans store. So yeah, some stickers that I'd forgotten that we had. But anyway, you don't want to see that. Let's get the box out of the way. So as I said, this week the trailer for Captain Marvel dropped, and this time Captain Marvel is a female played by Brie Larson. The cast looks pretty epic. You got the dude that is Samuel L. Jackson, Jude Law, and the trailer does look pretty cool. The film's not out till next year though. But let's look at these. Now, I love red. I've got a thing for red shoes at the moment. Like a bit of gold. These also have a star on. These were kind of made for me, I think. So let's have a look at these. So you got this really nice red suede on the toe box and on the side panels here. And you've also got the really nice detail. Not sure if Sneaker Cam is picking this up with the gold eyelets. Then at the top here, you've got the star. Can you see this on camera 1? Let's give you some love. Then on the side here, you've got a canvas navy blue panel. Then if we flip it round to the back, bring us back to Sneaker Cam, you have more of the red suede, gold, just sort of setting the red suede off. Then you have the gold star in the middle. And if I flick it round again, you've just got that side panel in the navy and the gold. It's just super nice skate high. Let's have a look at that camera number 2. Look at that. It's beautiful. It is such a beautiful sneaker. You've also got, I think it's leather on the inside, like a nice, it's like a pure white leather on the inside that's padded all the way down actually to the sole of the shoe. Then on the tongue, red suede again, it just says Marvel and Vans. And on the inside, it's navy, and again, it just has Vans Marvel. Just really, really nice shoe. Now you're not going to be able to see this. No, you're not going to be able to see it. Can you see this on the insole? I'm not even going to try to take it out. But it's got this really cool pattern in there. And again, just says Vans Marvel. Sneaker Cam? No, I doubt you'll pick that up. Okay, you are. Really, really nice shoe. Just super, super nice. Now on the laces, did I get another pair? So just a one set of laces, but on the end of the laces, on the lace caps, it actually says Marvel. And I'm going to bring this up here because I think Sneaker Cam is desperately trying to see that, but it does say Marvel there. It does say Marvel on the lace caps. So that's on all ends of the laces. So they're just super nice. I can't believe I haven't got these out of the box sooner really. I don't know why I haven't. I guess I've just been living in my beaten up blazers and it's actually been really warm. So wearing sort of skate high hasn't been you know, it's just been too hot to wear Sk8-Hi, and now it's raining, hence the hat to hide my rain hair. So there is something lurking in this left shoe. Now, when we go traveling and there isn't much room in our cases, every little corner gets stuffed, and I have just found a pair of your dirty socks, Mr. B, in my box fresh, lovely sneakers. Anyway, I don't know what else to say about these other than they are beautiful. They're actually too nice to wear. I'm really worried that if I'm going to wear these in the next few weeks, it's just going to rain and it's going to ruin them. And the materials that they've used are so nice, and it actually says on the base here, let me just check this, it says one or more of the components on this product is a dyed material, and there is a possibility that some colour migration may occur during use. And that doesn't surprise me, because I mean, this is such a nice red. It is one of the nicest reds that I've seen on a suede shoe in particular for a really long time. Now, I got these in a US women's 8.5, which is a UK 6. I tend to find that Vans are pretty true to size for me. So if you're wondering about sizing, I would say stick with your normal sizing. And these are a US men's 7 as well. European 39. So what do we think? Nice pickup. As I said, I know it's a bit, Mr. B is saying, yes, Mr. B, do you like these? Yeah, in fact, Mr. B kind of told me that I had to buy these. He wasn't going to let me walk away with them. Now, I know these were available in the UK, but getting to a Vans store in the UK is a bit of a pain in the backside, whereas they're everywhere in the US, so hence why I picked them up. But, guys, what do you think? Good pickup. I actually thought that this whole pack from Marvel and Vans was actually really strong, so I could have quite happily picked up more than one pair. So I had to pick these up. One, the colorway is awesome. Two, Captain Marvel is obviously a female this time around, and she is looking super badass. Really looking forward to that film coming out next year. So YouTube, what do you think? Do you like these? Leave us a comment, let us know your thoughts on these. Did you pick up anything in the Marvel Vans pack that dropped in June? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this, don't forget to give us the old thumbs up, really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, we are so close to my personal goal of 1,000 subs. So please, if you haven't and you like what we're doing here on this channel, give us an old sub. It will be greatly appreciated. We're uploading on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and if you're around on Sundays, come and join us for sneaker streaming Sundays, 8 p.m. British summertime, although I can tell you now, it is not summer here. 12 p.m. on the East Coast, 3 p.m. on the West Coast. We look forward to you joining us on Sunday. I am going to the football now to get very wet. So over and out, guys. See you soon. Bye. Is that all right? Mm-hmm. Forgot what I was saying.